Welcome to our channel. Keeping your Garmin watch software updated ensures optimal performance and access to the latest features. Follow this complete guide to update your device. Step 1. Download and install Garmin Express on your computer from the official Garmin website if you haven't already. Step 2. Connect your Garmin watch to your computer using the USB charging cable that came with your device. Step 3. Open Garmin Express. The software will automatically detect your connected Garmin watch. Step 4. If prompted, sign into your Garmin account. If you don't have one, create a free account to proceed. Step 5. Once your device is recognized, Garmin Express will check for available software updates automatically. Step 6. If an update is available, you'll see a notification. Click on Install All or select specific updates you want to install. Step 7. Wait while the update downloads and installs. Keep your watch connected and don't interrupt the process, as this may take several minutes. Step 8. Once the update completes, safely disconnect your watch. Your Garmin will restart automatically with the new software installed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.